Well, we start this video week 28 with bad news. First of all, this is Heather tiling our kitchen with a backsplash with her brother, which she did a great job on it. Saved us like $1,500. Bad news is instead of moving in 2 weeks, we're moving in 4 weeks. At least that's the update. So it is what it is. We'll be coming back from vacation, back into our in-laws' house for the 8th month straight. It is what it is. But the stairs have been stained with this bare premium wood stain. Toolboxes are in. Garage needs to be finished with all the electrical and some of the wall paint. But overall, it's in a pretty good place. Nice view of the lake, too. Here are the stairs. They've been stained. So those are ready for finishing touches with paint. They're going to do new handrails, new trim. But it looks really, really good compared to how it used to look, which was just plywood for 10 years. My office, our third bedroom, aka our previous primary bedroom, is now Miami blue. Heather said, "What color do you want?" And I said, "I want Miami blue." She said, "Okay." This is where our queen size bed used to sit and where our baby used to sleep in the closet. And this is now my office, and it'll be a guest bedroom with a small bed for guests. I'll have to get a green screen because for virtual Zoom backgrounds, this green bluish color is going to really mess up the virtual backgrounds, but it's okay. We're keeping the closet the old paint color, and we're going to need to figure out lighting in here and other stuff, but it is ready for next steps. Trim is all done. Everything's painted. Then we have the whole area. What we've done is we've actually covered our fir support beam with wood, painted white trim wood. And all the trim has been painted in most of the spaces now. So they said in about a week, they're going to be done with the upstairs. Subs will come back and put up the mini split heads, the trim pieces for the electrical, and the lighting will all get put in next week. Heather's coming tonight to grout these walls, and those will be done. So that'll be finished work. And then we just need to paint above the the air furnace, the vent thing that pulls hot air and steam and stuff out of the oven. There's a view of our wood trim. It's sad to see that beautiful stained wood go, but it was. This is fine. This is a much cleaner look. It'll look cleaner with the ceiling and not be so contrasty. I'm impartial on it. We can always take it down if we don't want to at some point in the future. Matilda's room is almost done. Door is painted. Trim is painted. And then Matilda will have her room fully completed except for the electrical, data cables, and mini split. And of course, the screens for the windows and blinds. But she's almost done. Looks really good. Sorry for the background noise. I'm in a coffee shop today. And we leave for vacation tomorrow, so I'm trying to get this done before I leave for vacation for a week. Here's our room. Also all done except for electrical HVAC, but looks great. The closet doors need to be painted, but that's it for this room. It'll be finished very, very soon by the painter. Like tomorrow, it'll be done. And those are our closet doors. I'll open them up to give you a nice view. But just going eggshell and the seafoam on everything looks good. There's that. One thing I was worried about is that door opening up, hitting our other entry door. Yes, they do intersect with each other. Too late to change it now, but whatever. Tyler's on site too, finishing our shower. Vanity is installed. The hardware is going to change that vanity. He'll be done at the end of the week. Next week, they will put the tub and toilet and everything else in place. But there's our shower with a little area to put things, and it'll be glass enclosed. And there's the vanity.